Namaste students, welcome to the RSP Group of Schools YouTube channel. This is the part 4 of chapter Exponents and Powers of class 8. In this part again we will take some questions of exercise 2.1 to understand these laws of exponents in a better way and practice how to apply these laws in a question. So I am taking question 5th of exercise 12.1. Question 5th is find the value of m for which 5 raised to the power m divided by 5 raised to the power minus 3 equals to 5 raised to the power 5. This expression is given and we have to find the value of m from this expression. So firstly again by using the laws of exponent, this law, when the bases are same and the two numbers are in division, then the exponents are subtracted from each other. So I can write 5 raised to power m minus 3. Okay, this complete minus 3 comes in this subtraction equals to same 5 raised to power 5. Again we can write this as 5 raised to the power m plus 3. Minus becomes plus equals to 5 raised to the power 5. Now compare the exponents. We are comparing the exponents here because the bases are equal. So from this we can write m plus 3 equals to 5. Now we want to find the value of m, so we can calculate the value of m, that is 5 minus 3. So the value of m is 2. So what we done in this question, firstly we use this law in left hand side of the equation. So this becomes 5 raised to the power m plus 3 equals to 5 raised to the power 5. Now the bases are same in both left hand side and right hand side. So we compare the exponents. M plus 3 equals to 5 and the value of m is 5 minus 3, that is 2. So in this way you can solve the questions related to this pattern. Now again I am taking one more example of this type. Suppose if the question comes like this: 7 raised to the power m into 7 raised to the power 4 equals to 7 raised to the power 10. Again the question is same, find the value of m. So firstly you use this law in this question. So this becomes 7 raised to the power m plus 4 equals to 7 raised to the power 10. Again the bases are same, so we can compare the exponents and we can write m plus 4 equals to 10 and the value of m will be 10 minus 4, that is 6. So in this way you can solve these type of questions. Yes, now question 7. Question 7 you have to simplify this expression. So this first part is 25 into t raised to power minus 4 upon 5 raised to power minus 3 into 10 into t raised to power minus 8. So we want to solve this or to simplify this. So how can you express 25 in exponent form? I can write 25 as 5 square into t raised to the power minus 4 upon 5 raised to the power minus 3. Again break 10 into product of prime factors. You can write 10 as 2 into 5 and in last t raised to power minus 8. Now use the laws of exponents to simplify this expression. What you can observe here, 5 raised to the power 3 and in upon one exponent is minus 3 and one exponent is 1. What does 5 means? 5 means the exponent is positive 1. So use the laws of exponents here, this law. When the bases are same, then the exponents are added to each other. So I can write 5 raised to power minus 3 plus 1. Okay, 2 is on its place. Shift this minus 8 or t raised to minus 8 to the numerator part. So this becomes t raised to power minus 4 minus 8 by using this law of exponents. When the bases are same, then the exponents are subtracted from each other. So this complete expression becomes what? This complete expression becomes 5 raised to the power 2. This minus 2, minus 3 plus 1 is minus 2. Again this minus 2 shift to the numerator part. So this becomes minus 2. This 2 is in denominator and t raised to the power minus 4 minus 8. Minus 8 becomes plus 8. So minus 4 plus 8 is 4. So I can write t raised to the power 4. So the final answer is 5 raised to the power 2 plus 2 upon 2 into t raised to the power 4. Now what does 5 2 plus 2 means? We can write this as 5 raised to the power 4, and 5 raised to the power 4 means multiplication of 5 4 times. So our final answer is 625 by 2 t raised to the power 4. This is the solution of this first part. Now the second part. In the second part, the question is 3 raised to the power minus 5 into 10 raised to the power minus 5 into 125. Again, firstly, you have to express these big numbers as the product of prime factors. So, I am writing here 3 raised to the power minus 5 into 10 raised to the power minus 5. 10 can be written as 2 into 5. So I can write 10 as 2 into 5 raised to the power minus 5 into 125. 125 can be written as 5 cube. We can write 125 as 5 cube. So I am writing 5 cube here. In the denominator part, first number is 5 raised to the power minus 7. So we are writing this here. Next 6. Again break 6 as product of prime factors. So you can write 6 as 2 into 3. So I am writing 2 into 3 raised to the power minus 5. Now we can write this as 3 raised to power minus 5, 2 raised to power minus 5, 5 raised to power minus 5 into 5 cube upon 5 raised to power minus 7 into 2 raised to power minus 5 and 3 raised to power minus 5. Okay. Now this 2 raised to power minus 5 can be cancelled with this 2 raised to power minus 5 because these both are same. Look at the remaining parts and apply the laws of exponents in these parts. Firstly, look at the first number 3. Okay, look here. Here it is 3 raised to power minus 5. And in denominator, it is also same 3 raised to power minus 5. So we can also cancel both of them. Now look at the last remaining number, that is 5, and solve the exponents of 5. So what will we get? We get 5 raised to the power minus 5 plus 3 because both the numbers are in multiplication. Minus 5 plus 3 upon 5 raised to the power minus 7. Okay. So minus 5 plus 3 becomes what? Minus 5 plus 3 becomes minus 2. Okay. And after that, shift this minus 7 to the numerator part. So it becomes minus 7, that is plus 7. So I am writing the final answer here. The final answer will be 5 raised to the power minus 2 plus 7. That is 7 minus 2 is 5. So our answer is 5 raised to power 5, means multiplication of 5 with 5 times. So our final answer is 3125. Okay, multiply 5 with 5 times, so you get your answer as 3125. So this is the part 4 of exponents and powers. Thank you all.